Hi, this is Sue again. I'm 61 years old, and last year, February 2024, I converted my Ford Transit Connect into a micro camper. I have traveled cross-country 4 times so far. Last May 2024, I did a van tour of my van. I have done some updates to my van since then, but since it's so cold in New Hampshire right now, I decided until it warms up that I won't be doing another one. So here you go. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Welcome to my full van tour from the Arizona desert. This is lived-in mode. The first thing I built was a shelf above the cab. It holds my Reflectix and other items. It's very deep. I've hooked it onto the existing shelf. I have blackout curtains, which I have lined. I have plenty under the seat storage. This is my cooler, which holds the fold out for my headboard. My bed pulls out, and under here is more storage and 2 soft bins that pull out there. I have homemade rugs. Coming to the other side, we are currently charging our Jackery power bank. Nice cabinet with full storage bin on the left side and 2 drawers that pull out with food on the right side. I'm using 2 Jackeries this trip. I have a fan, thermometer, speaker, mirror, and up here is my soft bin storage for clothing. Coming to the other side, a lamp in case I want to read at night, 2 baskets for soft things like bread and bananas, and then my hydration pack. In the ceiling I have built a nice thermal cover for my fan. I have a bin in the back, which I have secured with bungees on either side so it doesn't fall over. Coming to the back of the van, I'm currently charging my Jackery with my solar panel. Custom curtains and side panel. This is water. Kitchen items. This is my stove. And over here is another bin for garage stuff. I have decorated with ivy. I have some solar lights and some other lights that I have hooked up in the inside.